Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2022 Indian Scout Rogue Edition. This awesome 1100cc V-twin just arrived with only 2,700 miles on it. Fuel injected, liquid cooled, blacked out, and it's got some really cool, nice features like that little mini fairing, tall handlebars, bar end mirrors, and a really cool Saddleman king and queen style saddle. I love that retro backrest too. Only 2,700 miles on this awesome Indian Scout Rogue. Come on by and make your really cool V-twin cruiser dreams come true for just $99.99. This bike is not going to be here long. We have financing available. We have warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.